Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have major news from the capital Juba, update on South Sudan justice system, and a tragic story from our Will East. Stay with us as we go through headline, explain the event, and give you the full picture. Before we proceed with this update, please save the channel, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let us start with our first top story. SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, Major testify against Dr. Riek Machar. The big story today comes from Juba, where the trial of South Sudan suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar continue. A major from the South Sudan People Defense Forces, Major Peter Malwal Deng Lual, spoke in court on Friday about the deadly attack on Nasir garrison in March 2025. Dr. Riek Machar, age 73, and 7 other people are charged with murder, treason, and crime against humanity. This is happening in a special court with 3 judges. The attack killed more than 250 soldiers, a major general, and a UN helicopter crew member. Major Malwal presented document, videos, and report to the court. He said these materials show coordination between SPLA-IO, general, local authorities, and the Nuer Army militia before the attack. He explained that he is part of a joint military investigation team formed after the attack. Their team worked for 6 weeks to put together the report. The evidence includes videos showing general talking to troops and the media. Other footage show Y Army fighter and SPLA-IO forces moving along the Sobat River toward government troops. One video allegedly shows a Nuer Army commander leading the attack on March 3, 2025. Major Malwal, the SPLM IO in Nasir did not want government troops to rotate there. He said they feared the Nuer Army would be disarmed. This disagreement increased tension and led to more violence. Before the March attack, Nuer Army and SPLA-IO forces had already attacked government soldiers. They killed soldiers collecting firewood, returning from market and fishing, he said. Major Malwal also said Dr. Riek Machar formed a 10-member committee to move troops and batch operation from Malakal to Nasir. Members of this committee took part in attack on government forces in late February leading up to the March assault. In another shocking claim, Major Malwal said Nuer Army used and SPLA-IO officers burned the South Sudan flag at a police station on February 25, year 2025. The court hearing was adjourned to Monday, November 24th, as only 2 witnesses appeared on Friday. The trial continued with 8 accused, including Dr. Riek Machar. This trial is a key moment in South Sudan, as the country watch our leader and are held accountable for violence. The outcome could happen. It could shape politics and trust in the military and government. Let's move on to our second top story. New justice minister promised to fix legal system. Please, before we proceed, help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, so when we upload a new video, you can be notified. In other news, South Sudan has a new Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Michael Makwelwet. Michael Makwelwet promised to restore the rule of law, stop random arrests, and clear all pending cases in the country. Speaking shortly after taking office, Minister Makwe said, "Justice delayed is justice denied." Makwe also said, "Prison must be empty of people ill unfairly." President Salva Kiir Mayardit gave direct instruction for all pending cases to be handled quickly. The minister emphasized that law and order is the key for South Sudan stability. He acknowledged complaints about people being arrested without reason and others taking the law into their own hands. He described the current situation as lawless and chaotic, saying it must end immediately. For citizens, this is a hopeful step, as many people have faced delay, unfair trial, and insecurity due to weak legal process. But still, they don't trust Michael Makwelwet because of the way he talked. He always wanted people should be ill without being given fair judgment. If Minister Michael Makwelwet succeeded, yes, maybe people could see faster justice, safer communities, and a stronger trust in the government institution. But people are doubting, and people are waiting to see whether this will actually take place. Now, let's move on to our Will East, where a tragic accident has claimed 2 lives. Road crash killed former land director. Joseph Nation, former director for land and survey, died after a hit on road crash on Thursday morning. The crash happened on the road between Malwalkon and Mazol. Another young man traveling from Awan in Warabi State also died. Eyewitnesses confirmed the collision and said it involved 2 vehicles heading toward each other. Road safety in South Sudan is a serious issue. Poor road condition and unsafe driving lead to many accidents each year. Authorities have not yet clarified the exact cause of this crash. This incident reminds us that road can be dangerous, and driver, passenger, and authorities must work together to prevent more death. These are the main story for today on Changfied. The Nasir attack trial continue with major Malwa testimony. The new justice minister pledged to restore law and order. And a road accident in Awil East took 2 lives. South Sudan faced challenges from political violence to weak legal system to road safety issues. As citizens, we must stay informed and demand accountability from leaders. Thanks for watching Changfied YouTube channel. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so when we upload a new video you can be notified. Biakamal ka Changfied YouTube channel kajan gwazme bana raiketin kona lat korodian. Biakamal an wala shanga jandangra widi kel ka pai welkel ronkin dangra widi jandangra widi die. To kon galere bana ling. Lere nyama bana raich gwazme a quilok Dr. Riek Machar gwadmi mo CSS PDF major to testify against Dr. Riek Machar. Joban lingwasame and wale ray wiki juba. Cha look Dr. Riek Machar cha nyokomutwokaja. First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar ten kenane dang barotin kone cha yen kel. Jo chalat gwasame wun mila major kia kwar kakume South Sudan People Defense Forces wun mishala major Peter Malwal denglwal charwach ka koden wala gwalo ka jen Friday me charwach ke kwi kore dana chituo ka Nasir Garrison ka pay diok ronkin dangro de diech Dr. Riek Machar kenene dang baro tin konen cha ka yen kel ka rik diala kona shalat murder, treason, and crime against humanity. These are the things in Kone Shalat Washa going to Quidian. The Quidi Gamedan to occasion Lat Kentamake special court, Rewiki Juba. What the Dan Lokatin, a Gilok Dang Doki, Quadok Dang Dok, a Latre judge. Ere Kuridan a chitwalk. Generic Dangaru, Jandang de Chikaliu. Major General. Ke UN helicopter crew member Rami Momela ran UN. Chimeja Malwal take a teacher won chit ke document ni video ni teacher top ka court. A jenekan kwakti nyot kano chukuma SPLIO General Lekian kan ne county la local authority ni ka bomre which kel kan wer why army she can coordinate it and tie it down to court to ogoja chela do na a general point would me going Dr. Riek Machar a general kel kenete kone cha kwanya la joint military investigation team me shi we Riek Nasir a general she can let ka jong dang bakel let ka report mo ke let kan gwakel can evident kone kan ganon ke tenyo do e korea to goje e kan shi kan kare alaka ke video ne video ne am shi kan lat gwasa me gwan no right kwardang routin la kwardi ni SSPDF right ken ke media video do dien a queen wer wayami kene kuma SPLIO gwan mi kan lat no ngoy kene ka tug year ka so ba river we kan gwada dana ti de ni SSPDF ticketing. Chicken la de one ti de ne SPLIO kene de ni nwer waya mi sharin mat. No. Are video gonna mo kene nyu de nwer waya mi commander. Teniam ngoy kene. Ka jen shanga diok ka pay diok ron kin dangro jen dangro dich wo ken base. Eti de ni SSPDF ticketing. Who can mark? Major Malwal. Chekuma SPLIO Chejagwan. The query Medana Chitwaka Nasir. And Lokuma SPLIO, Loka General, de ni. Tin kola de SSPDF, de can angre week Nasir. A general Kuma SPLIO. Kola Kijano can the Indian kola de SSPDF. Who can re week Nasir Kobe can match. Nwer wayami bikan ka okep a jene jen do badana talk disagreement kaja ka shu tension shu talk shu violent shu talk ngwas ma jen do be dana shu liya yu talk ja ki kore talk ja ka joro den mi chalat gwas men wude me a jene ka pay diok a jene nwer wayami kana kuma SPLIO a kan pay diok kana chup you can deni SSPDF you can kamak dor dan ticketing a jeni ci deni SPLIO ken nwer wayami you can deni SSPDF to chu kwain ke chu kwer keto you can kanak ken deni kokien to chu ko market to chu kokorech kan gwa mi ci ko deptin karech den gwa dan ko ru ko toktin Major Malwal che Dr. Machar che gwanyo ne ci Dr. Machar che 10 members kene dangwel ti la committee chaka kwany anu bikene de kona banung tin bi jen kam mal kal la dinte kon de nanga Nasir no biken ka bot a jene kene de kona cha kwany gwasme ti la committee a chigru de mare ko gwade dan ci korje to jere wik Nasir ka jen fire away dan ka chu koren di enjok chu to ka pay diok koron kin dangro de dich che kuma SPLIO che jagwanyo no ka another shocking raj medodian michina ge me nyoko raj keje major malwal chela do nena jenen nuer wayami ken SPLA officer chicken bear South Sudan flag e chicken wang ka police station ka fairo ron kin dangro jan dangro de dich a chang yan dangro de dich ka fairo e chicken bear chicken wang ala bear South Sudan flag e chaje wang ken and when mo Mr. Rajo a chinete content ka court ne de kon la jiluk chicken look chicken a cup jok chicken a cup ka jelat ka changa jan dangro wido ngwan ka pai welkel ajan balug mo baje nyok mu waje continue ne de kon ci raj ne dangro ken ci benone duno ram kel ajan ci raj wala ka Friday waram mo belo raj ka kor ka jogami ka jelat en jogami wa bne dang badak ko ken ti cha dar ma char ba cha je gwan wa bugalo jojen wenamo na me ajelu ko danan cha tok ka kui dar ma char ko goyna ma danan cha gwan ke je men bi tugo na me ke ta dan bo to ko je ke goyde balawu ne ne me cha tok cha las gwasdien cha dar ma char cha je lu nya lor ke cha je lu ko do mi tel kach ajan do danan bi South Sudan bete mal ka je at kamde ajan bi South Sudan bi shebo chana we ka ler do dien please gono jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan charam cha kwerm jidit cha ja kwan kwerm jidit la new justice minister cha ja kwan ajani ya ja rode wuda dan ya kwan bana shure bana yelen gwasme South Sudan chicken te karami kwerm won mi jidit ka constitutional affair ba Michael Makwelwe mangai Canadian chela ro ne ajani bangwat bagalat gwasamo ajani chana cha ba yan lora ba ajani bane dial kona cha yin ka kaj ba kolun rewika South Sudan wan me charaitin me kam go jokom rewich ka Juba minister Michael Makwelwe charadi no ne ajani just delay just denied ajani chuong me cha jako cha jan ka lode ajani chara mo cha ken cha bila kam chonde no jana gor jeno de ne de to tin cha yen de ga dilun alor ne ngam chi te jeno ka ngani men ku mes filai go ba kolun wala ka ngani ngure na mo tepin shela do ne jana cha je kam dara ko do kin mi yadit no ba ne tin kon intere te jere wike South Sudan kelio ba kan dial ba kamrar jane ba ne dial kon cha yen ka kashni ba kolun jane jeno do dan cha kam e kin mi yadit shikire jogo no ate ramme ngure te jen shela do ne Michael Makwelwe jen ba ngot bakari aleka ban ngore diena chire mana ngai kone so jo me mi chalat en wo bene dial bakolun ban ngai kone no mlat ke je kwerka me lat ke je kwerka ala minister of justice ko kui Riek Machar ko be Riek Machar nyire Riek Machar ta da la roje je ke Riek Machar and then ba jo use against Riek Machar jen do dan gui ke je na me cha jange tane tum wan chire me lin kone gwazme ka jo den gwazme te ke den mi chitwok te karam kel mala former land director jen che yakatar bil ki yede che jen rega me to ko dor shal ke will is gwal mi chirege to tin che tor will dang ro chikarum Joseph Nation ramela former director Kalan and survey chi yede jen gwal mi che yaktin che yakawide ki cha wide cha je pim gwal dan che reke to tin ke jen shankang wan ka jok karunwa chirege mo je to dor shal ke malwal kon kan mazol jen gwada dan to tin wajen chigrum terbil jerum kan yang kan terbil dien wari rega namba ci yang man ba ci yede jen tan dor shal ka awan ka warab state jen gwada dan ci ke to tin na me mi chalat me de kon linga jeri pod me mi jiram jidit gwasme gor jeno bi ngajen wodi tin kon lat kon ka gwasme ka tin kon lat ko rodien gor kono bandi dial kon lat ko rodien ka dob dan ci to je kon ka link rodien ko bi kon kula te ka ngach tin kon lat ko rodien yen dak Riek Machar kana loin de jel ken kel cause Riek Machar chaja gwan cher manan ngai kone cha gwan ge chak chirka manan sha linga jen wude me ma chirwa jene chiko dial ngajen wude me a jeni she were which ka Nasir chaja kam wude chal ke malwale cha kam order no lade ka pet ka jong dang bakel no tin diala kon di lat ko rodien no toro tour ni so che document je no but cha gu no kan video no kon chikan nyot watan dien chika video no talk kan Nasir of course kurche to but gur ke noti diali ba kala wi dak Riek Machar ka joda na lat keneja so ne me jenan gode nya konkel mi jiram jidit gorno jin bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwañ ko mi te mi ci bere gwas me ba ci mala ci be keji ani biata gamal ban jikala rodien bye bye